Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can install a Docker on your Ubuntu 20.04. I'm going to show you what version I have here is 20.04. As you can see here, right here is 20.04 Ubuntu. Right, so let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to, of course, update your operating system by typing sudo apt-get update. So go through and update your operating system. Next thing you're gonna have to do would be to install specific packages that you might need, such as this guy here. So sudo apt-get install, you'll need a CA certificate, a curl, a gnupg, and the lsb-release. You don't really need this one here because I know I already have this one. I'm gonna hit enter here. So those are the ones now being installed in your system there. Still on the setting up of the repository, the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna have to issue a curl command. Just like that. The curl command actually is to add Docker's official gnupg key in there. So I'll leave the comments, all these commands on the comment section below. So for now, I'm gonna just hit enter. And then once that's done, the next thing I'm going to do is to set up your stable repository. So I'm just going to put an echo command here and hit enter. And once that's done, you're going to do your app update again. And then if there's any other updates that you need to be done, you'll catch that. The next thing I'm going to do will be to install the Docker engine itself. Sudo apt-get install docker-ce-cli contain-d.io. You hit enter and hit yes. Then it will do all the other necessary installation. I'm just going to give it a few moments here for it to catch up. Just as a test, we're gonna install, say, sudo docker run say hello world. So basically what we're doing is this: from the Docker hub we are downloading hello world. If you're familiar with Docker Hub, you know exactly what I'm talking about here. There's a pull statement here. So basically we're pulling this and creating a container right off the get-go because it's a run command. So hit enter, you'll say Docker is not found, and yeah, it will install it. So you can see that the container is created and this message comes up. Another way to test would be Docker version. Oops, you can see version. Yeah, this command should come out if you have the right version. Anyway, that was a quick introduction on how you set up your Docker. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.